Hello from Canada. Hello again from Canada. Don't ever go to this terrible country. Don't forget to do sport and enjoy your life. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give me a like, write me some nice comments, make the bell in the black color please, and share this video with your friends, please. I'm traveling 10 years around the world, doing sport and exploring the planet 10 years so far. I have about 100 countries in my background, in my experience. Thank you for watching. I wish you to have amazing weekend to all of you. See you at the end of the world. Thank you.